So I figured out how to make myself normal height, so now I can reach the actual floor. And also, I have a nail gun. And yeah, I finally figured out that you cannot hear the people in my party chat thing in my ear. So yeah, I'm just gonna be playing this. All right. Yeah, if I'm responding to anyone, just know that it's the guy in my party. But yeah, I have a nail gun now. I can't shoot you. Anyway, so yeah, I'm back to normal height. And one day my post-processing just stopped working, and I don't know why. Oh my gosh, dude. No, come on, dude. Oh wait, no, it worked. Yeah. Yeah. Shot him. Oh, I see it. I can see it. Yeah, it actually stuck into him. No, stop. Stop. No, shoot. Shoot him. It's not shooting him. Why isn't this working? No, I don't like that. No, that's mean. That's mean. You can't do that. That's mean. No. No, I got stuck on the barrel. That's mean. No, that's mean. Yep. Get got. Uh-huh. It's not stabbing. That's mean. Yep, get got. That's mean. Yep, get shot. No. Yep. Oh! Is that right there? Did that hurt? Did that also hurt? Ooh, look at that. Where'd it go? Hey, I'm gonna try this on you. There it is. Oh, it works! You can stab him! Oh, let me see this. No. Yeah, this is... I like this. Stop. Ultimate weapon. No. Oh, crap. Yep. Oh, crap. No, stop. They're not dying. Come on. Kneecaps! Lagging a little bit. It's not working. My nail isn't working. Get shot in the... Okay, it works. Then... Okay, let me see this. Okay. not gonna kill anybody with a whole bunch of nails in your chest. Haha. I missed. Oh, what happened? What was that? Oh, that was her. Not you. The other guy. Wait, can I imbue? I wanna try and imbue a nail. That's already happened. Yep. Yes, I can actually. That's cool. I like it. Can I imbue the gun? Oh, it doesn't. Haha. Nope. You suck. No, I didn't mean to. It's disgusting. Oh, okay. So that's cool, like you can grab them out of midair. Like, no, I will save you, except I cannot move. Ha! This is still imbued with lightning! Yeah, that's fun. I like this. I think one of those should hit him. Only one was supposed to. Oh, step away. That's mean. Oh, that's nasty. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Dead. No, you should. I told you that you were dead. Yeah, like actually try and fight him instead of just. Dude. Okay. I like topping time. I like stopping time so that I can do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's laggy. Boom. You know, I can't really save you because, like, you know, you were going to die anyway, so yeah. See, now if I did this, I could be like, no, I'm going to save you. No, 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 no. But then I just, yeah, I'll do that. Just die. Yep, lose your sword. I got him. I got you with the first shot. Yeah. No, 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 no. That's me. Hey, who did that? It's really mean of you. Why aren't you dying? You survived. Bro. Alright, he should be dead. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you're just supposed to die, you know that, right? What if I just shoot that right up your nose? Right, yep. Yeah! I got her first try. I got her first try. I'm gonna beat someone over the head with this. You know what? I wish I could kill an orphan with this. I'm kidding. I don't want to. You know, my sword just keeps getting lost. I have this. What am I doing? That was a close one, buddy. Ah! No, it's not. I don't. How did you not get hit by a single one of those? I don't think you got hit that time. Yeah, he didn't get hit that time. That's actually happened. Well, not in school, but like, yeah, like just at home, it's happened. Well, it wasn't really a skinning knife. It was what was it? A pocket knife. Yeah, that's what it was. Pocket knife. I bet you one of these is going to hit. And not kill him, apparently. Okay, you need to stop. I should sharpen my nail gun. Sharpen. Why did that work? It actually hits them now. Oh, and it needs to be resharpened. Needs to be sharpened. Seems like it only works over here. Stop missing. Yeah. I able to? No, I can't do. Can't to end it. Alright. Yeah, it only works. No! It only works when you slow down time. I don't know why that is, but it just does. Stop. Oh my gosh, you're lucky. I'd rather die from fall damage than a nail gun. Alright, well, I'm about to end the video. Normally before I get off of Blade and Sorcery, I start killing people with random things that I can find. So, you know what? Bye, peoples. I'm killing others with a barrel now. Give me the barrel. I want the barrel. Yes, I have the barrel. Oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. I'm kidding. Ah! Okay. I think we're fine. No, we're not fine. We are not fine. We are not fine. We're not fine. We are not fine. May I have that barrel without dying? Okay, fine. I'll take this one then. So just no barrels at all. Okay, you know what? I'm done. Bye. And this is Blade and Sorcery mod, Nomad. I just changed the settings a lot to make it look like the other version. Bye.